let's discuss about Area 51, officially named the Nevada Test and Training Range at Groom Lake, is a high-security open training range for the U.S. Air Force in southern Nevada. Though the site is still very secretive, the public found out that Area 51 officially existed in August 2013 after Dr. Jeffrey T. Richelson, a senior fellow at the George Washington University National Security Archive, submitted a Freedom of Information Act request in 2005 for information on the CIA's Lockheed U-2 plane reconnaissance program, the secret construction and testing of spy planes used to gather intelligence. The request forced the CIA to declassify documents on the history of the U-2 and A-12 Oxcart program and the military base where the planes were constructed and tested, Area 51. There certainly was, as you would expect, no discussion of little green men here, Richelson, who died in 2017, told the New York Times in 2013. This is a history of the U-2. The only overlap is the discussion of the U-2 flights and UFO sightings, the fact that you had these high-flying aircraft in the air being the cause of some of the sightings. Malcolm Byrne, Deputy Director and Director of Research at the National Security Archive, tells Time that Richelson essentially solved the mystery surrounding Area 51 indirectly. I don't think Richelson was going after Area 51 specifically, it's just that as often happens in these things, there's serendipity and so material gets released that has things of interest for other people. 100 years more than 1,000 ships, airplanes are missing without leaving any clue, not even getting to anyone's imagination. They are vanishing and the only mysterious place is the Bermuda Triangle, Florida. Bermuda Plutodica, which lie in the section of Atlantic Ocean, are called Bermuda Triangle. It is of 130 OOSQ km. This is even called Devil's Triangle. 4 airplanes and 20 ships are missing in Bermuda Triangle every year. The mystery in this is no one is getting how the ships are going missing. They are not even getting any clue whether they have drowned or collapsed. Till now, thousands of disappearances took place here. First incident is registered in everybody's heart. That is Flight 19. On December 5, 1945, as a part of routine training, U.S. Navy sent 5 Navy planes to Bermuda Triangle area. They gave the name Team 19 to this 5 fighter planes team. After 2 hours, they got a voice MSG from Flight 19 team captain. That said none of the thing was correct. Their compasses were not working. It is one of the mysterious Gravity Hill. The person who loves traveling enjoy this place. Who loves to explore new trails on a bike, Ladakh in India is the name you will be familiar with. And since this tourist destination has a distinct hype amongst travelers, you must have also heard about the Magnetic Hills. Known to pull the vehicles, this magnificent hill lies on the way from Srinagar to Leh highway. Believe it or not, this small stretch of Magnetic Hill perfectly defines the phenomenon of gravity. To confirm the fact, you can turn off your car and while on neutral, you will realize that your car is moving without your efforts at the speed of 20 km per hour. The giant blocks of stone called the Trilithon that make up the base of this Roman temple in Baalbek, Lebanon remain a great mystery of the ancient world despite over 100 years of study by archaeologists. What was the purpose of the temple, and why were such large stones used for its foundation? No one knows for sure. There are 25 stones underneath the ruins that each weigh 450 tons, and 3 that clock in at a massive 1,000 tons each. By comparison, the blocks used for the Great Pyramid of Giza weigh 80 tons each. So how were the Jupiter stones transported to the site, since their quarry is located a quarter-mile away? That might forever remain a mystery. And speaking of the quarry, the largest cut piece of stone in the world, weighing 1,200 tons, still sits there resting at an angle and attached at the bottom as if it were about to be cut free and hauled to the temple. Explanations for the block's transport are that, like the Egyptian pyramids, a system of pulleys, ramps and rollers were used to get them to the temple site. The problem with this explanation is that the temple sits atop a hill, which would make the feat even more outrageously difficult. Hey guys, now our topic is about a tree which will be in the bend shape in one forest, so let us go into the topic. Crooked Forest is a famous natural attraction in Nowe Żarnowo village near Gryfino town in West Pomerania region of Poland. The Crooked Forest is a grove of 400 oddly shaped pine trees located near the town of Gryfino, West Pomerania in Poland. The pine trees were planted around 1930 when its location was still within the German province of Pomerania. From the base, the pine trees grow with a 90-degree sharp bend northward, but then curve back to grow straight up into the sky. Despite the unnatural curves bending 3 to 9 feet sideways at their bases, these trees are generally healthy and grow up to 50 feet tall. There are many theories on the mystery, although there is little to no evidence to support any of them. Some hypothesize that a unique gravitational pull in this particular area caused the trees to grow curved northwards, but this theory does not hold up to basic scientific scrutiny given that gravity pulls things downward and not at a curve. An important archaeological and historical site in India, Lepakshi is known for its architecture and painting. This temple dedicated to Lord Shiva is among the most mysterious places in India, owing to its famous floating pillar. The mystery, among the 70 pillars at the site, one is hanging in midair, that is, it exists without a support. People come to the temple and pass objects under the pillar, believing it'll bring prosperity into their lives. The theory, people believe it's just another of the many genius tricks the temple builders of the old were capable of. It was located on the banks of river Kaveri, in the Chamarajanagar district of Karnataka, lies a village buried deep in sand. Talakad is believed to have been home to about 30 temples once, 5 of which are lingams representing the 5 faces of Lord Shiva. The mystery, it is believed that a widowed devotee of Lord Shiva had once cursed the land, following which the village turned into this strange desert and a mysterious place in India, where the river Kaveri mysteriously transforms into a swirling whirlpool. The Kani Mata temple is one of the most holy sanctums, but little do people know that it is also one of the most mysterious places in India. The temple is home to over 20,000 rats. Revolting as it may sound, one is not allowed to kill, hurt, or even scare them away. The mystery, these rats, or kabbas, as they're called there, are considered to be highly auspicious, are worshipped, and safeguarded, which is why they hold more value than the humans visiting the shrine. The theory, the rats are believed to be the reincarnated relatives and family members of Kani Mata. In fact, the rare, white mice at the place are considered to be her sons. I heard about Chilyaka Lake, Pulicat Lake, but I didn't heard about the Skeleton's Lake. So let's us about the Skeleton's Lake. Roopkund Lake is a glacier lake located at an elevation of 16,500 feet in the most god-forsaken place in the Himalayas. But its remote and dangerous location has got nothing to do with the gloom and despair associated with this lake. It's what lies beneath it that scares the shit out of most people. The mystery, around 300 to 600 skeletons can be seen beneath the surface of the frozen Roopkund Lake every year when the ice melts at this mysterious place in India. Radiocarbon tests and forensics date the corpses back to the 15th century AD. The theory, the locals believe that the corpses belong to the then king and queen of Kannauj, who were going on a pilgrimage but plunged into the lake due to a severe hailstorm and died. Have heard about the red rain. I had heated about the acid rain, ice rain, but I didn't heard about the red rain, so let's us discuss about what is red rain. Apart from a place with rich natural splendor of the Western Ghats, a vast forest reserve, and the tempting coastal Kari, Idukki, Othe, red region, is also famous as one of the mysterious places in India. The mystery, the red-colored rain at Idukki first fell on the 25th of July 2001, and occurred sporadically for 2 months, staining clothes and buildings as it poured. This blood-red downpour, when collected by the locals, turned into clean water with red particles settled at the bottom. The theory, the scientists, after much analysis and debate, have zeroed in on one explanation for this occurrence. They say that the red particles are airborne spores of the locally growing alga in the region.